Sunday. So ngayon, tulog si Tyra. Pero gigisingin ko siya para mag Easter egg hunt siya dito lang sa loob ng bahay. So pinabili ko si Ronald ng mga egg surprise. Yan. So 5 yan. 5 egg surprise na assorted. So ngayon, itatago ko siya dito sa bahay. Hindi naman mahirap. Basta lang itatago ko siya. Tapos ngayon gigisingin ko siya para hanapin niya. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Ito, naisip ko ilagay siya dito sa nativity. Yan. Lagyan natin yung isa dyan. And then, may isa pa. Itong Lion King ba to? Lagyan natin dito. Put it here. And then there's 3 more. Kaya ito, tatlo na to. And then, ito. Alam ko na dito. Ito natin lagay. Kakulay nitong toy niya. Hindi niya masyadong pansin. Shimmering Shine. And then last, ay ito pa. Happy Face. So, kaya dito sa cars. Diyan, lagay natin. And then sabi ni Ronald, lagay ko daw itong isa. Doon sa bag niya nasa kwarto. Tulog si Tyra. Wait lang. Tulog siya. Ito yung bag niya. Sinabi niya dito. Ito ko ilagay. Wait lang. Lagay ko dyan. Ngayon, gigisingin ko na siya. Tyra! Tyra, wake up! Tyra! Easter egg hunt time! Come on, you find some eggs. Come on. I hide some eggs. You look for it. Come on. Come on. You look for the surprise eggs. Come on. Sige na. Easter egg hunt tayo ngayon, di ba? It's Easter Sunday! Come on. Muntok pa? Yeah. Daddy work na. Oh. Sige, kamot. Drink ka muna ng water mo.
I need my socks.
Yung socks, oh. Where's your socks? Oh, over there. Okay, socks.
Also comb my hair.
Comb your hair. Oh, comb my hair, not. Ba yan? Ang kalat.
I found one.
Where?
I found just only one.
Found 1 egg?
No.
Oopsie. Uy, butas. Where's the other one? Where's your other socks?
I don't know.
You don't know? Saan mo nilagay? Oh, yun. Ito. Yun. Okay na. There's 5 eggs. You look for it, okay?
Is there a rainbow?
It's surprise eggs.
Okay. I
Yeah.
need my bag.
You need your basket? Okay. I will get the Minnie Mouse basket. Okay. I will comb your hair.
It's too hard.
Yeah.
Mom, is it Easter now? Is it Easter?
Yeah. It's Easter Sunday.
Yes, right
Jesus
now?
is alive. Yeah. Yeah, I told you should sleep in during the night time. And you're awake during the day. So you can do something. Okay. Tara. I will get your basket first. Yan. So, Tara's washing her hands because she pee. So, ito yung basket. Dito daw niya ilalagay yung mga nahanap niyang egg.
Yeah, I was using that for Halloween last time.
Yeah. That's, you use that every year.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on. Look for the eggs. There's 5 eggs.
What?
5.
Did you buy so a lot?
Daddy bought it.
Wait, what?
Yeah, come on. Look around, Tara. Look around.
Found something.
Where?
Here.
Oh.
Okay, so there's a bucket truck.
Yeah. there's 4 more. Look around. Look around, Tara. Oh.
Okay.
Look around,
I
Tara.
just found something last
Where?
time when Daddy buys something.
Yeah. Go. You look.
Wait.
Where? Oh, you got 2.
I was buying a pencil A.
Okay. So there's 3 more. Where is it? No.
It's heavy.
You go look around in your toys. Maybe it's in the tree house.
Found one.
Oh.
It's a shimmering
Shimmering shine. Okay. So 2 more. You look around. Maybe you look in the plants. Yeah. Maybe it's in the plants. Where's the plants? Mommy's plant. Bring your basket. Mm.
Found one.
Good. So 1 more.
Yeah.
What's that?
I don't know.
Let me see. I think it's an emoji. Oh, it's a Lion King.
I love Lion
Okay,
King.
so maybe it's in the room.
Okay.
The other one. Hmm. Look. Maybe look in your purse.
That's a good idea. Found one.
Okay.
Elsa!
Elsa.
Yeah, I just watched that.
Okay. So how many did you get? Let's count it there.
4, 5.
You got 5. So it's complete. Good job, Tyra. High five. Galing. Come on. You want to open it?
Yeah.
Oh, let's go. Open mo dyan sa table.
Make it a line.
Yes. But I will get you a plate, okay? There. So Tyra got 5 eggs. So emoji. And then she got Elsa, Lion King, Shimmer Shine, and Paw Patrols. Oh,
I want to choose.
you don't eat them all. You just open it and then just look, see what's inside. Okay?
I want. Mini, sky.
Sky. Come on. Open.
Okay.
Whoa. Wow. Put this up. I'll open it. What
Wow.
they got there?
It's a hat. And it's
Oh, what's that?
It's chain.
It's Chase. Wow. What's that?
It's just a standard.
Oh, it's just his collection. Okay, then you open the other one.
I think I want this.
Okay,
I
go.
love this. Okay,
What?
I will share it all for my friends.
Oh, you will share it to your friends.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, it's cracked. Wait.
Whoa.
I'll open it. It's hard.
Yeah.
Let's see what's inside. Whoop. Okay.
Whoa.
Wow! It's a lion. Is it a lion?
Yeah.
Yeah. So you got 2. Okay, so you open another one. You have 3 more to open.
I want the emoji.
Okay.
I just saw a poop in the at the lotto, and he sticks his tongue out. He's a stick. He's a squishy. It's like that.
What do you got there for emoji? Let's see. Oh,
It's a razor.
it's a eraser.
Yeah. Which one?
It's an emoji eraser with the tongue out. Tongue out. I will open it.
Yes, I got this.
You can use that for your you put it on your pencil case.
Okay, later.
Yeah. Okay. And then there's two more.
I want Frozen. I love
Frozen. Okay. Open this. Frozen. Let's see what's inside.
Found something, I think. It's
It's Olaf! Oh, it's Olaf. Okay, let me open it.
Can actually stand.
Good. Olaf. There, Olaf. Focus there. And last one.
Shining inside.
Shimmering Shine. That's Shimmering Shine. What's that? What's that?
Oh,
Oh,
it's another shine.
it's I don't know what's her name. But remember you have the same like this before?
It's
I forgot her name.
her name is Shimmering.
Shimmering. Yeah, her name Shimmering na.
Shimmering shine.
Yeah, ayun siya oh. Let's see here.
Yeah,
Where is he?
And
There.
I got the wing. Too.
Oh, you got the ring before. I think you got this one. I don't know where is it. Maybe it's on your toy box.
Oh, yeah.
So let's show them to them what you have here. So you got the Shimmering Shine. You got Olaf. You got the emoji eraser. And then you got the Lion King and Charles. What's his name?
Chase.
Chase. And you got lots of egg chocolates. Yummy. You don't eat them all, okay? Just one bite. Okay, and you have to drink lots of water. Okay, you say bye-bye to the vlog.
Bye-bye, vlog. Thanks for watching. I hope you subscribe and hit the like button. Goodbye.